In this video we will show how to repair a broken off headlamp holder. Let's get started on a repair. First we sand the damaged area with a DA sander. The sanding grid that we are using is between 80 and 240. Making sure that it is clean. Make sure that the torn off part fits. In some cases, some stretched plastic might have to be cut off. Also, the torn off part needs to be sanded and prepared. By using the tacks we position the tap to the right location. The tacks are being used only to fix the part in place. Depending on the available space, use the ideal tack. The next step is to weld. Using the correct welding strip, start to weld. Always making sure that both parts get heated up and the welding strip is being pushed into the material. Once it is cooled off, you can start the sanding process. With funny shapes, you can always use the plastic files for shaping or a small grinder. At the end, use 400 or 800 grit sandpaper to smoothen out the welded area. Using the plastic fusion to melt into small scratches hides the sanded area. If you want more information, go to our webpage, betaginnovation.com. Under the Training tab, select E module.